You need a community around your idea and your change. And community doesn't mean that you are all the same. It doesn't mean that you are thinking about the exact same thing, but you do have one thing in common, and that is you care about, you have a common purpose. It might be that you want to make patient care better for everyone who enters your hospital. It might be that you want anyone who comes to your organization and enters the doors, either as a recruiter or as a vendor, walks away thinking, that's a great organization. Whatever it is, or you want to help the homeless in your community, you've got to have that bigger purpose. And then when you build that community of interest, and all of a sudden you don't have to be everywhere. You don't have to be directing every step because you've got other people. They know what you're trying to do, and that's how you build a change that's sustainable. I mean, how many changes in organizations are the change of the month? You know, the strategy of the month. And when you kind of get to that bigger purpose, that community can thrive and grow over time, even without you directing everything. In fact, you don't have to be in charge. You know, there are so many ways that a group can kind of just completely rally around that purpose.